Welcome to GK at Amosri,
which is the first Indian Institute of Technology. A. IIT Kanpur, B. IIT Madras, C. IIT Bombay, D. IIT Kharagpur. D. IIT Kharagpur. Who is known as the Tiger of Mysore? A. Hyder Ali, B. Tipu Sultan, C. Shivaji, D. Rana Pratap. Tipu Sultan. Who established the Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company? A. Dadabhai Naoroji, B. Jamshed Tata, C. V.O. Chidambaram Pillai, D. None of these. C. V.O. Chidambaram Pillai. Whose birthday anniversary is celebrated as National Mathematics Day? A. Isaac Newton, B. Srinivasa Ramanujan, C. Aryabhatta, D. Albert Einstein. B. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Which festival is celebrated as the beginning of the spring season? A. Diwali, B. Holi, C. Dashara, D. Vasant Panchami. D. Vasant Panchami. Who is known as the Indian Napoleon? A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Samudragupta, C. Krishnadevaraya, D. Shivaji Maharaja. B. Samudragupta. Who was the first Indian to win an Olympic gold medal? A. Dhyan Chand, B. Milkha Singh, C. Abhinav Bindra, D. Kashyapa Dada Saheb Jadhav. C. Abhinav Bindra. Which city in India is known as Mini Mumbai? A. Pune, B. Nagpur, C. Indore, D. Ahmedabad. C. Indore. What is the official language of Kerala? A. Tamil, B. Hindi, C. Telugu, D. Malayalam. D. Malayalam. Who is known as the father of Indian agriculture? A. M.S. Swaminathan, B. Norman Borlaug, C. Jaiprakash Narayan, D. C. Subramaniam. A. M.S. Swaminathan. What is the scientific study of water called? A. Geographer, B. Herpetologist, C. Archaeologist, D. Hydrologist. B. Hydrologist. Who set up the world's first floating ATM? A. Bank of America, B. HDFC Bank, C. Axis Bank, D. State Bank of India. D. State Bank of India. Which supercomputer is developed by Indian scientists? A. Super 3, B. Param 808, C. Super 149, D. Param 8000. D. Param 8000. Todar Mall was associated with which revenue system? A. Finance and Land Revenue, B. Music and Literature, C. Law and Music, D. Law and Literature. A. Finance and Land Revenue. Why is not advisable to sleep under a tree at night? A. More oxygen, B. Less oxygen, C. Release carbon monoxide, D. Release carbon dioxide. D. Release carbon dioxide. Which one of the following does not contain silver? A. Horn silver, B. Ruby silver, C. Lunar silver, D. German silver. D. German silver. A universal recipient belongs to which blood group? A, B, AB, C, O, D, B. B, AB. A basic architecture of computer was developed by A. Charles Babbage, B. Blaise Pascal, C. Gordon Moore, D. John von Neumann. D. John von Neumann. Which is the first bank to introduce ATM in India? A. ICICI Bank, B. HSBC Bank, C. HDFC Bank, D. Axis Bank. B. HSBC Bank. The first modern warship built in India in 1952 was A. INS Goa, B. INS Nilgiri, C. INS Kailash, D. INS Vikram. B. INS Nilgiri. Answer for last video was Kolkata. The video is available on iCard. What is the national sweet of India? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.